Hey everyone, this is David. I'm back again making another YouTube video. We're at So Gong Dong in Hackensack, New Jersey. Look at the caramelization of this meat. Look at those onions. Look how delicious that is. Look at the rice. And here I am working on all the little plates that come included with a Korean dinner. Now this is kimchi, and this is cucumbers, and this is all the other great stuff that we have here at So Gong Dong. This is a tofu and barbecue place. So delicious. One great thing about this place is look at these. Look at all this. Look at how many places this is located. I guess this is a chain. Well, thank you very much for watching my video. I would recommend coming here. Wouldn't you? Take care. Goodbye.